Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The tutorial explains how to use Excel's Countif and Countifs functions to count cells with multiple OR as well as AND conditions. As everyone knows, Excel Countif function is designed to count cells based on just one criterion, while Countifs evaluates multiple criteria with AND logic.
Take our lead.
In the above formula, A2, A15 is the data range that you want to use, KTE and KTO are the criteria that you want to count. 2. If there are more than 2 criteria that you want to count in one column, just use equals Countif range 1, criteria 1, plus Countif range 2, criteria 2, plus Countif range 3, criteria 3, plus.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
By default, the Countifs function applies AND logic. When you supply multiple conditions, all conditions must match in order to generate a count. To get a final total, we wrap Countifs inside sum. The sum function then sums all items in the array and returns the result.
Take our lead.
If there is more than one range in criteria, you can use Countifs function. It works same as Countif, but is used with multiple criteria. The syntax of the Countifs is equals Countif range 1, criteria 1, range 2, criteria 2.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
There are several things you need to remember when using the Countifs function in a formula. You can use up to XX criteria underscore range and criteria pairs in a single Countifs function. Whether you have 2 or 20 criteria ranges, each one must be the same shape.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.